Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, we chose Chapter 3 and Fadil because we have the chemistry and the telepathy of the things that we wanted to do. The amazing thing about the first meeting was that I didn't have to tell him what kind of concept we want or what kind of ideas that we want. But just from the things that I want to do, he is able to come up with a theme and came out with a very wonderful proposal. And also, to be honest, Chapter 3 isn't our first ID. We met through numerous IDs. Some was okay, some was promising, and most of them we just didn't have the chemistry with the ID. So when we met Chapter 3 and Fadil, that's where we realized that it's probably the best fit for our renovation needs. Okay, the whole renovation process is coordinated by Kelvin Su. He was very prompt and very detailed when it comes to the scheduling, which is supposed to be done in under 5 weeks, and our home is ready in about 4 weeks. 4.5 weeks, so which is still way ahead of time. From choosing of the laminates to our bathroom supplies and all that, and the lighting, he made sure that we stick to the timeline, and that's the good thing that he chased us for, so that there's no any major delays and hiccups in our renovation process. If there were any defects in the or anything that we didn't like, he managed to rectify it with the contractors within a day or two, and that is what we are really impressed with.
So at the end of the day, we actually head out one of the rooms and make it very spacious with a built-in wardrobe at the end, which like make it a cozy room. And he actually matched up with the herringbone design, which is actually complements the whole room design itself. And the second one that we really like is actually the common bathroom. Yeah, so at first when Fadil came up with the design of the different comic house, they like a bit hesitating, should we continue doing about it or not, because it's a bit loud.
Very eccentric.
Correct. So after once the renovation is done, we actually feel like, oh my god, that is the most wow part of the whole house. So even if when we invite our guests or even our family members, everybody was like, wow, for the common bathroom instead of our cozy room. So this is the two major things that we like about the whole house.
Yes.
At the end of the day, we still love our whole interior design.